Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Beloved Besties.
Let's add chicken to this. Next, pudina, onion, and then fry the onion until it's brown. Take how much rice you want to and soak it for 1 hour. Next, add salt to the chicken, mirchi powder, and then garam masala. Not much, as much it's needed, add it. Next, add the special ingredient chicken masala, biryani masala, as we are making biryani. Now add on lemon at last and then mix it. Add the fried onion which we have cooked and only add few, and then add kothmeer, pudina and mirchi, and then add curd of 2 spoons, how much it's needed. Then mix it well, and also add kasuri methi which will make it flavored and also tasty. Mix it well and after mixing this, let's just set it for a few hours. At last add oil to it for the taste purpose, and then set it for at least for 30 minutes minimum, and then add the chicken to the oil on stove. Mix it. Next, take the add cloves, star masala and shajira boiling, and then after boiling the water, add the rice which we have put it to rest for 1 hour. Add it, and then just make sure that the rice is being like this, not so cooked. And then after half hour, total 90% cooked, and add the rice to the curry which we have made. Then for the color purpose, I'm adding bit of milk, and then 1 spoon of haldi too, and then add the leftover spring onions. After adding the leftover spring onions, you can add kothmeer also if you want to, and then add last ghee. It would make the biryani so special. And close the lid, and then at last, finally, here's your biryani, delicious biryani after 20 minutes. Just check it out. Here it's my new biryani style.
Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe.